I'll take some time just to be thankful that
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear examining teacher, today I will practice how to make milk balls. Yeah, milk balls are snacks that are around like balls and taste sweet. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Chalisa Akilaitulia from 12 Science 2. Okay, I got started. In here, I have tools. There are mesh or anything that is quite heavy and can be used as a mesh. Spoon, 2 plates, plastic gloves, plastic, and closed container. And the materials are 1 pack of Oreos, 3 packs of Milo powder, and 2 packs of sweetened condensed milk. To make milk balls, the first one, we put the Oreos in plastic. Then, we press it until smooth.
had days full of you, before it winds down into
Second, we pour the processed Oreos into a closed container.
the memory.
Then, we pour 1 pack of Milo powder and 2 packs of sweetened condensed milk.
It's all just memories now.
After that, we stir until mix. If you feel it is mixed and can be shaped, take a little dough and shape it into small balls. Don't forget to use plastic gloves. Do it until the dough runs out. We put it on a plate. In closed container, we pour 2 packs of Milo powder.
And I'll take some time.
After that, we put the balls on it.
Just to be thankful.
Close the container and shake it until the balls are covered by the Milo powder.
That I had days full of you.
Open the container and arrange it on a plate.
Before it winds down into the memory.
Milk balls are ready to be served. That's how to make milk balls. Thank you for attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.